Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. It is Thirsty Thursday, and a mango margarita is on the menu. Here's what you need to make it. We will need 8 ounces of frozen mango pieces, tequila, triple sec, simple syrup, lime juice, and ice cubes. And remember, it is not a real margarita without that lime juice, all right? It's not authentic at all. Casamigos, baby. You use whatever kind of tequila you want, but Casamigos for me. All right, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to make this, but before we do that, if you haven't hit that like button, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and leave a comment. All right, how to make a simple syrup. Simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water. Stir it until it's clear. It's going to look cloudy at some point. Cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. Then suddenly, boom, it's going to be clear. Once it's clear, use it. So that's your syrup without having to put granules into your drink. So make sure if you are running the bar or you are mixing drinks that you use simple syrup instead of, like I just said, granulated white sugar. All right? Okay, so into the blender pitcher goes the ice, the frozen mango pieces. So we're going to put everything in, and then we're going to mix it. We're going to mix it until it's smooth. But of course, you know, mango, it's a smooth texture anyway, so no biggie with this one. We just want to make sure that the ice pieces are as well, that you have like a slushy drink instead of pieces of ice in it. All right. So I'm gonna put everything in. I'm gonna list the amounts that you need in the description box down below. So no worries, got this. Right now, just want to show you how to make it. You can make great drinks at home, like really. I experiment, so do that too. Add some other flavors sometimes. Do something different. All right, so I go on that blender. I go between the ice crush, the pulse. So I will use different buttons on there just to make sure I get a really smooth consistency for my margarita. All right. Yes. So any kind of tequila. All right. Fresh lime juice, if you can squeeze it, fresh lime juice by all means. So margarita salt for the rim of the glass. But I'm going to show you something because I started doing the rim of the glass right here. But I'm going to cut away and I'm going to show you a really easy, good way to do salt or sugar around the rim. All right, so I'm going to take a piece of that lime and go around it. So we got pieces of lime outside the glass. And do that. All right, so spread that salt out. We're going to turn that glass in it. But this didn't quite give me the presentation I wanted. So I wanted to show you all this. That's why I didn't cut it out. It didn't quite give me the presentation I wanted. So with that being said, look at that. Nice. So here we go. I'm going to cut away to easy way to do it really quickly. So you're going to put lime juice in one plate, and you're going to put your sugar or your salt in another one. All right, so you're going to twirl your glass around in that lime juice or that lemon juice, whatever you're going to use. In this case, it's lime juice. So we're going to twirl it around, and then we're going to put it in that sugar or that salt. We're going to do the same thing, twirl it around, and bam, look what you get. Almost a perfect rim around that glass. See what I'm saying? Really easy. But sometimes it's better to show than tell. All right, so I'm going to pour that in there. Look how smooth it is. It's absolutely beautiful, but this is really good. So if you're doing Taco Tuesdays or you're doing a taco spread, something like that, these are great. But they just good for like a summer day. It's hot outside or something. These are really, really, really good. Look, that's beautiful. Nice drink. Y'all better go make this. Check that out right there. Go make it right now. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.